So I lead the Technology and Innovation Workstream at the Medicines Manufacturing Industry Partnership. This is a fabulous opportunity to bring together like-minded people from across pharmaceutical companies, actually from suppliers, from academia, from catapults and from the government, to focus on two broad areas. Firstly, the delivery of the roadmap that was developed across a broad sector of stakeholders and published in August 2017. And secondly, to make sure that we keep that current and future-looking to ensure that we're covering the areas of technology and innovation that are emerging and are going to be important for the future in medicines manufacturing. It would be easy for me to say that industry should unite around a particular exciting technology for the future, and I will come back to that. But actually what really excites me is what we've seen in the last 12, 18 months about industry simply coming together and collaborating. Even big pharma cannot afford to develop every single new technology on their own. And in fact, when we've tried to do that in the past, we've all made the same mistakes, we've all been a lot slower, and actually medicines have got to the patients potentially slower than necessary because we've all taken our own steps. So what really excites me is industry coming together and truly collaborating on the development of new technologies that are of great importance for our patients. And I think no area is more important right now actually than the area of digitalization. This offers us such opportunity in the areas of medicines discovery, medicines manufacture, and actually connectivity with our patients to feed information both to our patients, but also back to drug discovery. And this is an area that is just expanding right now. We have to have the right standards, we have to have the right controls, and we are going to be so much richer and faster if we can do that collaboratively. I think MMIP has a really important role in securing the UK as a leader for the future. And none so more perhaps than connecting across the industry in terms of what are the next big new technologies that we need to focus on. So we need to be on the front foot. We cannot let new technologies pass us by and escape us. We need to be identifying where there are new opportunities, really prioritizing those for collaborative working. And actually, as we become increasingly personalized in our medical interventions and approaches to treatment, we absolutely have to engage more with the NHS. So I think the interaction between medicines manufacturers and the NHS, as well as our regulatory bodies, of course, is going to be absolutely critical in securing the UK as a founding linchpin for personalised medicine for the future.